My name is Rhian Ronklin and I'm a postgrad student here in the Geography department at Swansea University. I did Geography, Politics, Chemistry A-levels where I got 3 A-level grades out of that, as well as the Welsh Bac. In my third year in my dissertation I was doing a research project, but then I also had to go on and learn how to present those skills. When I compared how I was using the skills to my friends who did not have the Welsh Bac, while they were learning referencing from the beginning, I already had the prior knowledge. So as well as having an advantage to them, I was also able to help them. And in some ways, that was a way to make new friends. I would help them, we'd get conversations going. At university, if it wasn't for Welsh Bac, I would have no idea how to use those skills that I use now in everyday life. They've given me the confidence. It helped me get into my first choice uni. I really wanted to come to Swansea from the beginning, but I was really struggling to get the points required with my Chemistry A-level. I am here doing things that I love and I'm passionate about, and I wouldn't have got that without the skills from Welsh Bac.